I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices, charge them, join a stable Wi-Fi, and back up important data to your Google account or locally. Once done, enable Bluetooth and make the old phone discoverable so pairing is fast. Open the new Android's initial setup and choose transfer from an existing device. This initiates a secure connection. You're doing this to keep apps, contacts, and settings intact rather than starting fresh, which saves time and avoids missed content. You scan the QR code or confirm the numeric code when prompted to pair devices and start the migration. Then select exactly what to transfer: apps, photos, messages, accounts, and device settings, because selective transfer speeds the process. Make sure both phones stay unlocked, awake, and connected to power to prevent interruptions. You'll see progress bars per data type. Monitor them, and if an app fails to reinstall, the Play Store will list it for manual download after. You finish by signing into your Google account on the new phone and verifying that contacts, calendar events, and account data synced correctly. Once finished, check the Play Store for any apps that didn't auto-install and restore media from your backup if needed. If something goes wrong, transfer halts, or missing items, retry using a USB-C cable for a wired transfer, or restore from your Google backup. This usually resolves partial transfers caused by network interruptions or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.